Take your time with me, ain't no rush. But you can waste your day on discussions. I hate arguing over nothing. Drives me insane, babe, are we ever okay? I can't think of a moment. Our progress is in slow motion. I'm finally not in that no motion. Take that trip with me, baby, you'll see the damage already done. Has not make believe when you follow me. I cannot be the only one, yeah. But baby, I see the heart in you, and that's where I find this feeling hard. Yeah, it's your man that high. One day left for you to run my mind. When it's all set, baby, is it my fault? You know that you control my heart. Take your time with me, ain't no rush. But you can waste your day on discussions. I hate arguing over nothing. Drives me insane, babe, are we ever okay? I can't think of a moment. Our progress is in slow motion. I'm finally not in that no motion. I can't be on your line, wanting your loving. You wasting all my time, babe, undercover. No shame when you outside. Those niggas all in your body. You should take me out to make me up it. It's in too much, boy, take me up it. Girl, I didn't know you were feeling the same. Ain't no pressure. The way that you move it is a question. I can't let it go. How'd you figure I saw it in your silence? With you, it's just a losing game. Wonder why you feel away. I don't wanna spill too thin. I don't wanna feel like I'm trying too hard just to keep you here with me.
Well, one thing I super love about these extensions is I'm pretty active. I live in Florida and I'm at the beach all the time. I'm swimming. I'm into fitness, so I'm doing a lot of just active lifestyle type stuff. And with these extensions, I can style my hair however I want. I can wear it in a ponytail, I can braid it, and also they're just really long lasting. They kind of hold up with all of my rigorous activities and allows me to have great hair and have an active lifestyle. So Damaris is going to be toning and rooting these extensions. So this is the prep that you guys don't normally see. So we do this prior to guests coming in, making sure that their color is on point. They have their shadow root so you don't see the weft when the wind is blowing, and cutting them because then it takes a while.
No, but cutting them is very important when we are working with fine hair. So the smaller the bun, the more discreet they're gonna be.
Hi, here at Monaco Salon, we're excited to join forces with Matter of Trust. Matter of Trust is a nonprofit that takes our hair clippings and turns them into tools to protect our planet.
The idea to use hair to clean oil spills started in 1989 with Phil McCrory, a hairstylist from Alabama.
He was watching the Exxon Valdez oil spill in William Sound, Alaska. And on CNN, it was showing the otters covered in oil and the water around them a little bit cleaner.
Phil looked down at the oily head of hair he was shampooing.
And it just sort of snapped for him.
It means the world to us that we're able to take something as simple as a haircut or old extensions to clean up oil spills and make a real difference. Your next haircut or hair extension visit might end up helping out the earth more than you know.
I'm just trying to get right before the night falls. I'm just trying to get right before the curtains close. I'm just trying to get.
Well, I started losing my hair and it was coming out in clumps and I was getting very self-conscious and it was getting to the point that I could not cover it myself. So that's when I looked online and I found Monaco Salons and came and did a consultation. And Krista was amazing, very down to earth, understood, what I was going through. This is, a more common situation than we normally even think, and really kind of helped me through the whole process on how it would unfold. It was amazing. Everybody here is just so welcoming and helpful, and it was so fast. They are like wizards when it comes to extensions. I'm so happy with how everything turned out.